Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing two popular mini drones, the ATTOP Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the first category, price. The ATTOP Mini Drone comes in at just $49, while the SOTAONE S400 Drone is priced at $89. So if you're on a budget, the ATTOP Mini Drone might be the better option for you. Now let's move on to the camera and FPV capabilities. The ATTOP Mini Drone allows you to take HD pictures and videos and even offers a first-person view experience through your phone. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera and also offers live video transmission. Both drones offer great camera features, but the SOTAONE S400 Drone has a slight edge with its higher resolution camera. Safety and ease of use are crucial factors, especially if you're a beginner or buying a drone for your kids. The ATTOP Mini Drone has a safe design with low battery warning and emergency stops. It's also easy to control, thanks to features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and multiple control modes. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 Drone boasts full protective guards, default altitude hold, and an easy-to-handle design. Both drones are safe and beginner-friendly, but the ATTOP Mini Drone offers a wider range of control modes. Next up, let's talk about flight functions and features. The ATTOP Mini Drone can perform 360-degree flips and even follow a pre-drawn trajectory. It also offers multiple control modes, including remote, app, and voice control. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 Drone offers excellent air stunts like 3D flips in 4 directions and high-speed rotation. It also comes with additional features like voice control, gravity sensor control, and VR support. Both drones offer exciting flight functions, but the SOTAONE S400 Drone has a slight advantage with its unique air stunts. Lastly, let's consider portability. The ATTOP Mini Drone features a foldable design, allowing you to easily carry it in your pocket. It's perfect for taking on family outings or playing with friends. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 Drone is also mini and foldable, making it convenient to carry anywhere you go. Both drones are highly portable, so it's a tie in this category. Based on online reviews, here's an overall assessment of the two drones. And that wraps up our comparison between the ATTOP Mini Drone and the SOTAONE S400 Drone. Both drones have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you're on a budget and looking for a drone with great camera capabilities, the ATTOP Mini Drone might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you're interested in unique air stunts and advanced features, the SOTAONE S400 Drone could be your best bet. Remember to consider factors like price, camera, safety, flight functions, and portability when making your decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and if there are any other products you'd like us to compare. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!